a main file. Yes, let's create some pages, more pages, like we have first page. So it is our home page, okay? Then we have second page, third page, okay? I'm going to name the third page as settings, where it is. Yes, in the drawer, we have three tabs. I'm going to name it settings. So now let's see what we can do. Here we have settings. So I want to do the thing that when I click on this settings button, I will go to the settings page. Okay. So this is how the apps work. So how we can do this? Okay. For doing this, we first need to create a stateless widget. Whatever we want to name, I am going to name this settings screen. Okay. So here itself I can make the one stateless widget settings page or screen, like we have our home screen here. I am going to add one more screen, settings screen here. Okay. So now we have settings screen, and inside it I am going to just say return a text settings. Okay. So now how to we can change this complete screen and go to the settings page. To do it, we need to first make it constant. Okay, no problem. On clicking on this drawer, where it is here, I am going to add a on tap event listener. And on tap on this, I am going to do something. Okay, it is showing error because this was constant earlier. Now it is not. So make other things constant. Okay. Now, yes, on tab, I am going to do navigator. Navigator is used to navigate from one page to another. I have already showed you navigator before in the here in the dialog when we navigating back from this dialog to, so there we use the navigator pop. What to add another screen on top of this screen, we need to use navigator dot push. Okay, so we will need to push another screen on top of it. Okay, we have context, pass the context, and then we need to define the route. Route is object of build context and route, and whatever route is here, we can get the example code. Material page route. Okay, get it. Material page route. Now we need a builder, and in the builder we need to pass the context, and we need to return a screen, and I am going to return a settings screen. Okay, do you get it? It is similar to what? It is similar to what we done here. Click me and open the dialog. It is similar. We need to pass a there we passed a dialog. Now here we passing a material page route. Material page route, what do it is? Handle the pages. So like we have first page here, then we are going to push another page on top of it. So we are going to push a settings screen page on top of it. Okay, so let me click on this. Okay, what happened? Yes, settings. And now we are back to the settings page, and when I click on back, I am back on this page again. Okay, do you getting it what we are doing? So this is how the thing works. So let's, okay, this is thing working. Now let's go to the settings page. Now we are in the settings page. What the settings page is showing, something like what we were showing when we created the home screen page itself. So it is similar to that. Okay, now we are showing, okay, no problem. We are seeing the settings page here. So here settings page, we need scaffold again. Okay, when we go from one screen to another screen, then we need to write everything from start, from scaffold. So what this function did, this material page route function did it in the here, where here we first define the home as home screen. What this function did, material page route function did, it replaced this home screen with our home screen, our settings screen. So from here we need to do it like, we need to assume that our settings screen is here. So inside the material app, what we need to add, we need to add a scaffold. Okay, so like we added here, same thing we have to do it here. Okay, so instead of saying the settings, I am going to remove it, and yes, scaffold, and inside the scaffold I need to add app bar, and inside the app bar I need to add a title, and inside the title I need to add a text. Here we get the text, and let's save it. Now you can see we have a settings button, and the back button is automatically added because it knows that we have pushed this screen on top of another screen. So it knows that the behind we have another screen, so that's why it is showing the back button. So we can go back to the previous screen because the another screen is appearing on top of the previous screen. Okay, so this is how it is working.